Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will be discussing the 10 most catastrophic volcanic events in history. Volcanoes are one of the most powerful and destructive forces of nature. They can change the course of history and leave a lasting impact on the planet. In addition, we will also be mentioning similar volcanic events on other planets. Volcanoes are formed when magma, which is molten rock, rises to the surface of the Earth. Magma is formed when the temperature and pressure of the Earth's mantle cause rocks to melt. The magma then rises through the Earth's crust and erupts onto the surface as lava, ash, and gases. There are three main types of volcanoes: shield volcanoes, cinder cone volcanoes, and composite volcanoes. Shield volcanoes are broad and gently sloping, with lava flows that can travel long distances. Cinder cone volcanoes are steep and conical, with explosive eruptions that produce ash and cinders. Composite volcanoes, also known as stratovolcanoes, are tall and steep with alternating layers of lava and ash. They can produce explosive eruptions that can be very destructive. Here are the 10 most destructive volcanoes in Earth's history. The eruption of Mount Vesuvius is one of the most famous volcanic events in history. It destroyed the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum, killing thousands of people. Tambora, Indonesia, 1815. The eruption of Tambora was the largest volcanic eruption in recorded history. It caused a global climate anomaly, leading to the year without a summer in 1816. Krakatoa, Indonesia, 1883. The eruption of Krakatoa was one of the deadliest volcanic events in history. It caused a massive tsunami that killed over 36,000 people. Mount St. Helens, USA, 1980. The eruption of Mount St. Helens was the most destructive in the history of the United States. It caused massive destruction and killed 57 people. Pinatubo, Philippines, 1991. The eruption of Pinatubo was the second largest volcanic eruption of the 20th century. It caused a global cooling effect and affected the climate for several years. Laki, Iceland, 1783. The eruption of Laki caused a massive famine in Iceland and killed over 6 million people worldwide due to the effects on the climate. Santorini, Greece, 1600 BC. The eruption of Santorini is believed to have caused the collapse of the Minoan civilization. Taupo, New Zealand, AD 232. The eruption of Taupo was one of the largest volcanic events in history. It caused a massive ash cloud that covered much of New Zealand. Huayna Putina, Peru, 1600. The eruption of Huayna Putina was one of the largest volcanic events in South America. It caused a global cooling effect and affected the climate for several years. Yellowstone, USA, 640,000 years ago. The eruption of Yellowstone was one of the largest volcanic events in history. It caused a massive ash cloud that covered much of North America. Similar volcanic events have been observed on other planets. For example, the largest volcano in the solar system is Olympus Mons on Mars. It is 3 times the height of Mount Everest and has a diameter of 600 kilometers. Another example is the volcanic activity on Io, one of Jupiter's moons. It has over 400 active volcanoes and is the most volcanically active object in the solar system. In addition to the volcanic activity on Io, Jupiter's moon Europa is also known for its ice volcanoes or cryovolcanoes. These ice volcanoes spew water, ammonia, and methane instead of molten rock. The ice volcanoes on Europa have reshaped its chaotic surface and are believed to be a result of the moon's subsurface ocean. Ice volcanoes on other moons of Jupiter, such as Ganymede and Callisto, have also been observed. So that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the 10 most catastrophic volcanic events in history and the similar volcanic events on other planets. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Thank you for watching.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.